Look what I made. That recipe makes 10. This recipe makes 10. Hello, I'm Tammy, and today I'm going to be making chocolate clusters. I have had such a craving for something crunchy and chocolatey and delicious. So I hopped online and I found this recipe by an Italian in my kitchen. I have my laptop open over here with the recipe. And it looks good. They use pretzels. I never even thought about using pretzels, so I think that's great. Just want to scroll down to the recipe. 1 crunchy bar. 1 crunchy bar. Okay. 1 cup of broken pretzels. I'm just looking at the ingredients, they're not great. 1 cup of roasted almonds. I don't like almonds, so I have dry roasted and salted peanuts. 8 ounces of milk chocolate and 2 ounces of dark chocolate for drizzling. So I just did a little conversion. I'm in South Africa and I work in grams and kilograms. This is a kilogram of chocolate. 8 ounces is about 230 or 240 grams. And one more thing, I know that we're going to use a bain-marie today, so I am just boiling some tap water on the stove. I just turned the stove on over there. Okay. This is a cup measurement and a Ziploc baggie. It's just a Woolworths brand one, it's not name brand Ziploc. But anyways, okay, so to start, I need a cup. I didn't weigh it. Okay, scale. So this is about 80 grams of pretzels so far. Just gonna close the baggie, get the air out. Okay. It's not very clear. Okay, this is working great. So, I don't know how small they should be. I'm imagining quite small. My cup again. My scale. Let's see if this makes a cup. I feel like it's actually just a little bit more than a cup, but we'll see. Okay. It's just a little bit more than a cup. 1 cup of pretzels in this massive bowl that is unnecessary. Okay, next I'm going to weigh out 230 grams of this chocolate. Ooh, okay. This is going on top of the bain-marie. It shouldn't melt, I don't think. It's plastic, but it's quite a hard plastic. I didn't think of that. Let's see how it goes. Okay. Chocolate put aside. Next up, I need a cup of nuts. I'm just weighing it again, just because I'm interested to know. So a cup of peanuts weighs 153 grams, 154 grams. Should show you. Cup of peanuts. Next, a crunchy bar. Okay, something's happening. Look at that. Oh, amazing. Crushed honeycomb. There are some big bits. Cool. Gorgeous. Ta-da! Okay, I know it's not the prettiest way, but chocolate, 250 grams of chocolate, 80 grams of pretzels, 250 grams of roasted peanuts, 1 crunchy bar. It takes quite a while to melt, but we've got it steaming over some hot water. It's coming along. I don't know why I thought this would be so much faster. It's maybe gonna take like 5 minutes. 5 minutes to melt. Jeepers. It's melting. It's melting, melting, melting. I think this is good to go. Ta-da. I mean, that's soft. This is hot and wet. Okay, oven mitt because it's hot. But the plastic seemed to have survived this. Okay, make haste. Pretzels. Nuts. Baggy or crunchy. Okay. Mix. Mix. I think this is sufficiently mixed. It looks beautiful. It smells beautiful. I think I'm gonna weigh them in like bowls. Found it. Okay. Working on like 50 gram balls. Let's see what happens. I'll be back. 890. 840. Okay. 790. I'm getting good at these 50 gram scoops. That's excellent. Okay. 740. I'm good at this. I'm really good at this. I think that's fantastic. Oh, this one was the smallest little one. I hope they stick together. Ta-da! Ta-da! So the recipe says that I should put these in the fridge to set. Obviously I'm not going to be doing that. It's not going to fit in the fridge. So I'm just going to leave them here on the counter and hope for the best. I will check back with you later. And now we leave the clusters to set. It's time for the unveiling. I had to leave for I think 2 hours or so. I can smell them. I can smell their sugary goodness. Whoosh. Cool. I had one while it was still gooey and divine. Oh, these are set. These are set and they are beautiful. Okay, so I have made these beautiful little chocolate clusters and I have eaten one and I'm going to taste this one. Can you hear the crunch? My goodness. This is delightful. well worth the wait.